Hello, welcome back to Good at Voice with the Tara Sampson Voice Studio. I'm Tara Sampson, and today we will be exploring some exercises for those who are new to solfege or who have been struggling with those singing exercises. Let's talk about music. All right, everyone. First, if you haven't seen my Intro to Solfege video, go ahead and check that one out. It'll explain my step-by-step process for finding your notes. Now, let's sing through your solfege scale together in a C major key. Here we go. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, do, do. Beautiful. Now, we will do 3 singing exercises, all in the same key. I will give you 3 solfege notes to sing, and you will try to figure out what those pitches sound like. I will give a brief explanation of how to solve it after giving you a little time to figure it out. Here we go. Number 1. Here is your key. I always recommend, especially with these singing exercises, doing a little anchor sequence. Do, mi, so, mi, do, so, do. This gives you a little roadmap of the key that you're working in. And I would love for you to sing so, do, mi. So, do, mi. There's your do. Take a moment and think it out. All right, my friends. If you need some more time, go ahead and hit pause because we are going to work through it. The easiest way to start this one is simply by singing up from do all the way to so, your starting note. Do, re, mi, fa, so, so. There we have our starting note. Next, sing back down through the scale to land back on do. So, fa, mi, re, do. There we go. Now, do the same thing, but only sing aloud so and do, the notes you've been asked to sing, and listen in your mind for all those in-between notes, the fa, mi, re. That would look like so, do, and there's your interval. Finally, just take out that pause and you've got your jump. So, do. Now, practice it a couple of times, make sure it's really solid, and then do your next interval by itself. Do to mi. Same process, we were given do, do. So we sing up do, re, mi. Then we listen in our mind for that middle note, do, mi, and then we remove the pause. Finally, once you've practiced that by itself, put it all together. So, do, mi, and there you have it. All right, my friends, moving on. Number 2, here is your do. Again, feel free to sing that anchor sequence. Do, mi, so, mi, do, so, do. And I would love for you to sing do, la, ti. So you're just working your way all the way up. Do, up to la, and up to ti. Take a moment and practice. Just a few more seconds here. All right, everyone, if you need more time, please go ahead and hit pause. It's always best if you can work it out on your own, however long it takes. I'm not giving you tons of time in this video today, so feel free to hit pause. And here we go. On this one, we're lucky. We get to start on do, which I've already given you. Do. From there, same step-by-step process to get you all the way up to la. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la. Do, And then you would practice that by itself a few times till it's nice and solid, and then find la to ti. Now, ti is only one whole step above la. So you can just continue that scale right on up. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti, and use that for practice. But when in doubt, always go back down to do and sing that scale nice and slowly. All right, my friends, so this final product should sound like do, la, ti. Moving right along. Great job. Number 3. Again, here's your do, do, and your anchor sequence. Do, mi, so, mi, do, so, do. And I would love for you to sing re down to ti, so low ti, below that given do, and then up to mi. Re, ti, mi. Take a moment and see if you can decipher this one. All right, everyone. Again, if you need some more time, please hit pause because we are going to work through this little bit more challenging one together. Remember, when you're searching for a note below your given do, it's just like if you started on high do and worked your way down. We just have to reverse our thinking. So we have do was here, and we need to go right up to re. That's not too bad. Do, re. Now we got to go down. Re, do, ti, re, ti, re, ti. And now we can walk it right back up. Ti, do, re, mi, ti, mi, ti, mi. And if I forgot re, I'll go back to do. Do, re, re, ti, mi. There you have it, my friends. So, if you find one interval and then you've practiced it a few times, it feels solid, but then you move to your next one and that first one just disappears right out of your mind, that is totally normal. That just means you may want to slow it down even more, practice that interval tons and tons and tons before you try to add on the next one, and eventually they'll soak in and you'll be able to put them all together. Please be gracious with yourself when you're learning this. Your brain is doing a whole bunch of stuff all at once when you're working with your solfege. So take your time, and I promise doing this step-by-step process will end up being faster than just guessing. And if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please drop them in the comment section down below. And as always, keep singing.